from the topic limit and derivative, and from the subtopic evaluation of the limit by using some standard formula. So the limit is x tends to pi by 4 to root 2 minus cos x plus sin x whole cube divided by 1 minus sin 2x, and options are 3 by root 2, root 2 by 3, 1 by root 2 and root 2. Is x tends to pi by 4 to root 2 minus cos x plus sin x whole cube divided by 1 minus sin 2x. To evaluate the limit, just put x equal to pi by 4 in the numerator in place of x and denominator. So it will be 2 root 2 minus cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4 whole cube divided by 1 minus sin 2 pi by 4 is equal to 2 root 2. The value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So it will be 2 by root 2. That means root 2. It is 2 root 2 minus root 2 whole cube divided by 1 minus sin. It is sin pi by 2. The value of sin pi by 2 is 1 is equal to root 2 cube is also 2 root 2. That means 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 divided by 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 by 0. So it is the form of 0 by 0. That means indeterminate form. So evaluate the limit, apply the L'Hospital rule, and L'Hospital rule is suppose limit x tends to a, fxy gx is equal to same limit x tends to a, f dash x g dash x, where f dash x is the derivative of fx and g dash x is the derivative of gx. So applying the L'Hospital rule, we will get limit x tends to pi by 4. The derivative of 2 root 2 is 0. Differentiate cos x plus sin x whole cube. Apply chain rule, and chain rule is derivative of f of g is equal to derivative of f, that is f dash, multiplied derivative of g, that is g dash, then minus the derivative of cos x plus sin x q is 3 cos x plus sin x square, and derivative of cos x plus sin x is minus sin x plus cos x, and the derivative of denominator, that is the derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus sin 2x is minus cos 2x, and derivative of 2x is 2. So write 2 outside. Now again put x equal to pi by 4 in the numerator and denominator, then we will get is equal to, now again putting x equal to pi by 4, this is minus cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2, that is root 2 square, and it is minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by divided by minus 2 cos 2 pi by 4, that is cos pi by 2. The value of cos pi by 2 is 0, that is 0. It's equal to it is 0, so whole numerator will be 0, so it is in the form of 0 by 0. That is, again it is showing in indeterminate form. So again apply the L'Hospital rule in this limit, then rewrite this limit x tends to pi by 4, minus and minus becomes plus. If you take minus outside, so it is 3, and this is sin x minus cos x multiply sin x plus cos x square divided by minus 2 cos 2x is equal to, now putting limit x tends to pi by 4. So differentiate this, apply UV rule, that is if derivative of two function in given product form, that is u dot v is equal to first function as it derivative of second function, that is dv, plus second function as it is derivative of first function, that is du. Therefore 3 is as it is, and sin x minus cos x is also as it is, and derivative of sin x plus cos x square is 2 sin x plus cos x, and derivative of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x plus 3 second function as it is, that is sin x plus cos x square, derivative of sin x minus cos x, that is cos x plus sin x divided by minus 2 derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x multiply 2 is equal to x tends to pi by 4. Now simplifying this, since sin x minus cos x, now taking minus sign outside, we will get minus sin x minus cos x square sin x plus cos x, and it is sin x plus cos x square, and it is sin x plus cos x cube, because these expressions are same, and in the denominator it will become 2 2 ja 4 and minus minus plus, so 4 sin 2x. Now on putting limit, we will get minus 3 sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. The value of sin and cos at pi by 4 are same, so this will be 0, so the whole term will be 0, so this will be 0 plus 3, and it is sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, that means 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2, that is root 2 cube divided by 4 sin 2 multiply pi by 4, that is sin pi by 2. The value of sin pi by 2 is 1 is equal to 3. The value of root 2 q is 2 root 2 divided by 4 is equal to 3, 2 2 ja 4, so 3 by 2 root 2. It can also be written as 3 root 2 by root 2 multiply root 2, and root 2 to root 2 cancel out, and it is equal to 3 by root 2. So 3 by root 2 is the required answer, that means option A is the correct option. Thank you.